Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you'll learn how to manage cost centers in TallyPrime. TallyPrime's cost center management helps you track costs and aids in cost analysis. Start with cost center creation. Select Create. Type and select Cost Center. Now, you can see a message asking you to activate Cost Center's features. Press Y to enable the feature. Here's a quick info. A cost center can be a department, a function, or a unit for which you want to track the cost and even the revenues associated with it. Let's take a simple example of the marketing and finance department as cost centers. Type the name. Select Primary. Enter and accept. Similarly, let's create another cost center. Next, let's create a sub-cost center. Mention the name. Group it by selecting Marketing Department. This way, you can group the cost centers in a hierarchy. Press Escape to go back. In case you wish to create multiple cost centers at once, instead of one after another, select Chart of Accounts, Cost Center, press Alt+H for Multi-Masters, Multi-Create. The next step is to enable cost centers for the required ledgers. To enable, press A for Alter. Ledgers. Select the ledger. Ensure cost centers are applicable is set to Yes. If you cannot see this option, press F12 and set Apply Cost Centers for Ledgers to Yes. Now, let's record transactions and allocate the expenses to cost centers. Press V for Vouchers. F5 for Payment Voucher. Select Bank or Cash Ledger. Select the Expense Ledger. Mention the amount. In Cost Allocation screen, select the department towards which the cost is incurred. You can even split and allocate the amount across different cost centers. Let us split it between the Marketing and Finance department. Press Enter to accept the allocation screen. Mention the bank details. Enter and accept the voucher. Likewise, let's record another payment voucher for digital ads expenses. In Cost Allocation screen, select Digital Marketing as a cost center. Press Enter. Mention the bank details. Accept the voucher. Now, let's take a look at Cost Center reports. To quickly view the reports, press Alt+G for Go To. Type and select Cost Center Summary. Press Alt+F5 for Detailed to see the sub-cost center. Press Escape to go back to Gateway of Tally. Here is another way to view cost centers reports. Press D for Display, S for Statement of Accounts. Select Cost Centers. To view individual breakup of cost centers, select Cost Center Breakup. Select the cost center. Press Alt+F5 for Detailed. You can make a quick comparison by pressing Alt+C for New Column. Mention the date range. Select the other cost center that you want to compare. Select Primary and Accept. Now you can see the comparison between two different cost centers. In case you want to generate a comparative report for all cost centers, press Alt+N for Auto Column. Select Cost Centers under Auto Column. Show total to Yes if required. Here you go. Your comparative report is ready in a second. Press Escape and go back to the Cost Center Report menu. View Ledger and Group Breakup Report to track the specific ledger or group cost. What's more, you can automate the allocation if you have a fixed ratio in which expenses or revenue are allocated by creating a cost center class. Here is a quick recap of things we learned in this session. Activating cost centers feature and enabling it in ledgers. Creating a grouping of cost centers. Cost center allocation in transactions. Viewing reports and generating comparative cost center reports.